Is there a formula to ascertain the cost of thermal spray coatings, factoring in variables like materials, labor, and overheads?
I'm glad you asked me more about that job shop calculator. So I used to be part owner of a job shop, and I sold my share out probably 10 years ago. It was a while ago. And when I first bought into the partnership, I realized that the guy who was running the facility really didn't understand his costs. And he understood the thermal spray process, and he was a genius at it, a real artist, but he didn't really like spreadsheets and things like that. So we put together a spreadsheet, and it grew over the years, where we actually put in all the different components of what it costs to do thermal spray. So it's not just the cost of the material per square foot. You've got your operator time for prepping the part, for masking the part, for grit blasting the part, for cleaning it afterwards. So all that has to be added in there. So we have the spreadsheet is developed that has different hourly rates for the different functions that are done. Now, some shops just have one hourly rate. Other ones have different hourly rates for, quote, just straight labor versus the skilled labor side. So whatever that is, we have different places where you can put those numbers in. So when we get all done, you get this total cost of what is the cost of getting this coating done. What's interesting is on some jobs, he was making good money. Other jobs, we were losing money on. So when we looked at it, he said, well, if we raise the prices, we're going to lose that job. I said, good, we should. Because guess what? We're losing money every time we do that job. Oh, so anyway, so we tested it. What we ended up doing is we raised the prices on the ones we were losing money on. We didn't lose any customers because of it. They knew for years we were charging too little, and they just took advantage of it. So we do have that calculator available, and we do assist our good customers with helping them understand what their costs, their true costs are of doing a coating in-house. So if anything struck your interest and you're interested in more information, give us a call, 724-229-5791, or drop us a line at info@thermalspraydepot.com.